Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find a solution for the 8th question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx in the following. The expression here is sin² x plus cos² y is equal to 1. Every term we will differentiate with respect to x. So let's start with the first one. So the first one on differentiation is going to become 2 sin x cos x. Now for the second term, this is going to become 2 into cos y into minus sin y into dy by dx. I'm applying chain rule, so treat it as a square. So 2 into a, differentiation of a, and then again a differentiation with respect to y here, is equal to the right side when you differentiate, 1 is a constant, so it becomes 0. Now let's simplify the first term. It can be 2 sin x cos x can be simply written as sin²x. This term I'm writing as minus 2 sin y cos y, so minus sin²y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now I'm leaving only the dy by dx term here and taking the other term to the right side. So minus sin²y dy by dx is equal to minus sin²x. So the minus and minus sign you can simply scratch off. So we can write in the next step, dy by dx is going to be equal to sin²x divided by sin²y. So sin²x, the whole thing divided by sin²y. This is the final answer. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.